Hello my dear friends, now we're going to abandoned laundry room in Pripyat and see if the real location really look like the game. It will be first time we will visit this interesting place. Pripyat city is big atomic nuclear town. Before accident at Chernobyl nuclear plant in Pripyat lived about 50,000 people. It was very beautiful city. But unfortunately, in 1986 happened very terrible explosion at Chernobyl nuclear plant. And after this accident, Pripyat still very contaminated. And life in this place is prohibited, and maybe life in this place will be prohibited many years. Pripyat laundry is not simple place. This building was working many years after accident, and about 3 years ago, Pripyat laundry has stopped their work. Many years after accident, in this building, workers work with clothes of people who work in Chernobyl nuclear plant. It was simple working laundry, yes, in abandoned city, but this building was working. It was very interesting, special for tourists who discover Chernobyl zone. This building has 2 floors, and many things you can see now around us, it's all things of people who work here many years after accident. And you can see maybe sometimes on the floor plastic, it's special plastic for better cleanup. Level of radiation in Pripyat laundry is normal. If you like computer game Stalker Call of Pripyat, maybe you will recognize this building, because in the game you can see absolutely same place. Thank you for supporting of my video. I have many interesting and unique videos and photos from Chernobyl zone. Bye bye.